pushed the other one in, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Johnny gave the youngest one a gig old ring, oh, the wind and rain. Didn't give the oldest one anything, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. They pushed her into the river to drown, oh, the wind and rain. I watched her as she floated down, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. She floated till she came to a miller's pond, oh, the wind and rain. Father, oh father, there swims a swan, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Miller pushed her out with a fishing hook, oh, the wind and rain. And drew that fair maid from the brook, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Left her on the banks to dry, oh, the wind and rain. And a fiddling fool came a-passing by, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Through the woods came a fiddler fair, oh, the wind and rain. And he took 30 strands of her long yellow hair, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And he made a fiddle bow of her long yellow hair, oh, the wind and rain. And he made a fiddle bow of her long yellow hair, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And he made fiddle pegs of her long finger bones, oh, the wind and rain. Yes, he made fiddle pegs of her long finger bones, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And the only two left, and he made a little fiddle of her own breastbone, crying, oh, the wind and rain. And the sound